Guys, so this is the room that we checked into. Oh my God. You know, we've just put our bags down. You see Hudson, he's so happy. He's checking everything out.
Yeah, he's very happy.
And I'll take a picture in the morning, but I just wanted to show you what it looked like before we slept in the bed. Oh, look at Hudson checking out the seat. Oh, sweetness. Look at how he inspects everything. Oh, nice clean shower. Extra good. Look at Hudson. Look at him. Look at him looking at everything. Inspecting the towel. Is it up to your standards, Hudson? Hudson, what do you think? Is the shower up to your standards? Yeah. So guys, we quickly showed you the room, but not a full room tour last night because we were so tired. But here's the room that we stayed in, Courtyard by Marriott in Florence, South Carolina. And, you know, we slept in the bed, so that's why it's a little rumpled. And this is 2 queen beds. And you see a desk area. And place to put your luggage. Hidden behind here is a mini fridge. And then this is like a pantry, like more storage for food and a microwave. The microwave oven is also here, as well as your coffee maker and ice bucket. Air conditioning. This faces a parking lot. So you can watch your car, which is great. Nice comfy chair to sit, you know, read, look at your phone, whatever. And big screen TV. Mirror on the wall there. Again, you know, we used the bathroom and shower and stuff. This is your closet area. Just quickly show you. It opens up, ironing board, iron, hair dryers in there as well. Toilet, I can shower area, and then it comes with like, you know, nice conditioner and shampoo and body wash. And a little separate area for sink. Overall, we rate this, honestly, 10. That's a perfect rating. It was great. We honestly have to rate this hotel room 10 out of 10 because the bed was super comfortable to sleep in. It was clean. The whole room was clean. Bathroom was clean. Had great, you know, fluffy towels, absorbent. Refrigerator worked. We didn't use the microwave, but it looks like it works. And free coffee and tea, like all night and in the morning, as well as like lemon lime cold water, free. You just have to go downstairs. So there is a coffee maker in the room. Bathroom, great, ample closet space. Definitely highly recommend staying at this Courtyard by Marriott if you're in Florence, South Carolina, or you're making the trip from New York to Florida, because this is, you know, around the halfway point if you're going, you know, down south. So yeah, let me show you the rest of the hotel. Oh, I also forgot to mention, I just want to before we show you the rest of the hotel room. There's charging ports. USB here and by the bed. So extra good. Our room was on the 3rd floor. And it was convenient because it was the end room and it was located right by the staircase. Again, a view of additional parking. And it's just a short walk to get to the elevator, which will bring you downstairs to the lobby. So we're gonna walk down to the lobby. But first, we're gonna show you some of the other amenities. On every floor, which is, I thought was super nice. There's, oh no, thank you. On every floor, there is ice maker. There's the ice maker right there, so you can fill your ice bucket. So we're in the elevator going down to the first floor. On every floor, you get your ice machine. And I want to show you another amenity, which I thought was really great. There is guest laundry room. Check this out. Only $1 to use the washing machine and dryer, so $1 each, and the cycle is 30 minutes. And there's complimentary laundry supplies available at the front desk. So, pretty cool, right? In case you needed to do laundry if you're staying, you know, for a few nights or whatever. Now let me show you the fitness center and pool. I'm not gonna go inside, but because somebody's working out and I wanna maintain their privacy, but you could see there's fitness center. And I believe this is why they call it Courtyard by Marriott. Here it is. And this is all enclosed, so you know you don't have to worry. Totally safe. You use your key card to enter back into the hotel. And the pool, let me show you, is right here. So you use your key card to enter the pool area. And here's the pool. I mean, we didn't use it, but it looks nice, you know, for the kids or something like that. See, they got some little floaties. And that faces the courtyard area again. So, clean. You know, the pool looks spotless. Yeah, really nice. So this is the lobby. Usually I don't like to show much of the lobby because sometimes there's a lot of people here, so I'll just quickly scan. But yeah, since there's no one here right now, there's also a bistro, and there's the free coffee and water, and yeah, really nice amenities, extra good. Oh, and there's also a little market where you can buy things, you know, if you need. See? Household items, drinks, snacks. So, even wine, extra good. Pretty cool, right? So now I'm going to show you the other exit. And I'll show you the outside of the hotel itself. There it is. So our room, I'm going to just show you. I'm going to show you the whole sweeping view of the Courtyard by Marriott here in Florence. There we go. We stayed in that room, right up there, top floor, the one that has 2 windows, no balcony. I believe the balcony ones might be a king-size bed, but there might be 2 queens with the balcony too. You know, we didn't need a balcony. I didn't really want a balcony, but I believe it was not much of a difference of price. So yeah, let's talk about price. Now, we didn't make an advance reservation, and honestly, I didn't try through booking.com or Expedia or any of those sites. We may have gotten it for cheaper, but because we are Marriott members, because we've stayed at Marriott properties before, we always try to support small mom and pop businesses, but sometimes it's not possible. And we have I had a great experience at their Aloft hotels too. In fact, they have an Aloft in Florence. It's just right across the way. I don't know if you can see it in the distance, but it's that blue and white building over there, like across the other side of this main street here in Florence. And that was had no rooms available at all. That's another pet-friendly hotel in the Marriott chain. So this is right by the Florence Center, but this was $161 for the night. Now, because, and there's a little pet bag, so I wanted to show you that. And here's our rental car. But you see, there's like a lot of Marriott properties all around here. It's really conveniently located from the highway. So yeah, highly recommend staying here. All our stuff was very safe in the car. You know, we usually stay at south of the border only because, you know, we like to be able to bring our car right up to our room and we feel secure that way. But they didn't have any rooms that were pet friendly. And, you know, I heard them mumbling to the people that was next to us that were trying to check in, that they wanted $185 to stay at south of the border. And that's, I mean, it has like no amenities. So this was far, far better and less expensive. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video tour and highly recommend staying at the Courtyard by Marriott in Florence, South Carolina, if you're in the area, and especially if you need a pet-friendly hotel, whatever you want to call it. All right, bye guys.